Spam Titan Email Security is an advanced email protection solution that blocks phishing, ransomware, and malicious email threats. Spam Titan offers protection against malware, spear phishing, advanced persistent threats, or APTs, offering insights into new threats to help mitigate risks. The series is divided into 4 parts: account activation, download and installation, using the add-in, anti-spam portal user guide. This is the first video of EzyNode's anti-spam tutorial series. Today, I will teach you to link your account to the Spam Titan website in order to gain full access to your quarantined messages, blocked email addresses and domains, and many more. If you're ready, let's begin. Go to this website, antispam.foresightIT.com.au. Click on Forgot Your Password. Enter your work email address and click the Send button. Open your mailbox and copy the password given. Go back to the email filtering portal and log in. If you wish to update your password, proceed to the settings. Here you can see 2 options. The first lets you input your desired password as typically done, while the second offers an additional layer of security used to protect your account from unauthorized access. Later, we go back to this website to see emails and senders that we have blocked. We will also release a video focusing on EzyNode's anti-spam portal navigation. That sums up our video tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you next time!